Hey YouTube, it's Buckbuster coming at you. It's Wednesday, July 26th. Just want to share with you a score I got the other day. Some Remington Game Loads from 2009. Got me a 400 round brick. Pretty cool little relic. They look a whole lot like a regular golden bullet, and they might be, I'm not sure, but anyway, I thought it was cool. Different kind of packaging for the collection. And I also picked up 7 trail cams, Trophy Cam HD from Bushnell. It came in at 30 bucks a piece. Picked them up today at $3.09. Anyway guys, that's all I got for now. Appreciate you watching. Talk at you later. Buckbuster out.